Effect on performance of lack of coordination. The bullwhip effect moves a supply chain away from the efficient frontier by increasing cost and decreasing responsiveness. The bullwhip effect reduces the profitability of a supply chain by making it more expensive to provide a given level of product availability. Let's discuss how does it happen on each cost. First, manufacturing cost. The bullwhip effect increases manufacturing cost in the supply chain. As a result of the bullwhip effect, P&G and its supplier must satisfy a stream of orders that is much more variable than consumer demand. P&G can respond to increased variability by either building excess capacity or holding excess inventory, both of which increase the manufacturing cost per unit produced. Second, inventory cost. The bullwhip effect increases inventory cost in the supply chain. To handle the increased variability in demand, P&G has to carry a higher level of inventory than would be required in the absence of the bullwhip effect. As a result, inventory cost in the supply chain increase. The high level of inventory also increases the warehousing space required and thus the warehousing cost incurred. Third, replenishment lead time. The bullwhip effect increases replenishment lead time in supply chain. The increased variability as a result of the bullwhip effect makes scheduling at P&G and supplier plants much more difficult compared to a situation with the level demand. There are times when the available capacity and inventory cannot supply the orders coming in. This results in higher replenishment lead time in the supply chain from both P&G and its supplier. Fourth, transportation cost. The bullwhip effect increased transportation cost in the supply chain. The transportation requirement over time at P&G and its supplier are correlated with the orders being filled. As a result of bullwhip effect, transportation requirement fluctuates significantly over time. This raises transportation cost because surplus transportation capacity need to be maintained to cover high demand periods. Fifth, labor cost for shipping and receiving. The bullwhip effect increases labor cost associated with shipping and receiving in the supply chain. Labor requirement for shipping at P&G and its supplier fluctuate with orders. A similar fluctuation occurs for the labor requirement for receiving at distributors and retailers. The various stages have the option of carrying excess labor capacity or varying labor capacity in response to the fluctuation in order. Either option increase total labor cost. 6. Level of product availability. The bullwhip effect hurt the level of product availability and result in more stockout in supply chain. The large fluctuation in order make it harder for P&G to supply all distributor and retailer order on time. This increases the likelihood that retailers will run out of stock, resulting in lost sales for the supply chain. We can summarize the effect as per this table.
If this clip got your gears turning, then you're going to love the full video on our channel, 10 minutes for supply chain, links in the description below. Don't miss it. Give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment to share your thoughts, and don't forget to share it with your team. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for weekly breakdowns of the global supply chain. Join membership button, become a member for exclusive content, early access, and global logistics insights. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed, stay ahead, and always supply smart.